I look in your eyes and you whisper sweetly. We don't match in size, but we fit so neatly. It's nice waking up when you're close beside me, humming in my ear. You're joking. I can't believe it. You do? I love you too. Remember the night when you first confided, and things went so right that we both decided. Now we're together and life is perfect. Don't ever disappear. Oh, really? Oh, you're just saying that. Is it true? I love you too. We're walking down a road of our own where rain can never fall. I'm glad I don't have to be alone. Oh, yeah? You know what to say when I want direction. You don't turn away when I need protection. Your voice is the sound of an angel singing, music I wait to hear. Say it again and again. Everything seems so new. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too.